up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a deal down on the farm here for you. 1968 Ford Mustang. Got this one listed at $13,500 or best offer. I'm gonna go over the good, the bad, and the ugly so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We're gonna do a full walkthrough of the vehicle. Before we get started, I need you to hit that subscribe button if you want to get deals like this. We post all the time. Every week we get new cars in. This is a body man special, but you can drive it just the way it is if you so want. It's a 68 289 C code. It's got a clean undercarriage, beautiful looking wheels. The interior's in great shape, but it does need paint and a little bit of body work. We'll go ahead and get started with this fender. Again, I'm not going to mention the paint, so pretty much the whole car needs to be painted. We're going to point out the major flaws such as rust or dents. As you can see on this side, you got a couple holes where we had the trim go into. That can be put back. This is off a little bit. It's got a decent sized dent right in here, it looks like. Wheels in good shape. Tire is dry rotted. Those are 17-inch wheels. Chrome looks decent. It's not in bad condition. A little bit right here. Lights are in good shape. That is not in good shape. You would probably want to replace that. Go up to the hood. The hood sits decently. The line's okay except for the back. Comes up a little bit higher back here. But it doesn't have any major dents that I can see over here on the hood. Going to this fender, I don't see anything except for a ding here. All right, going back at it. This door, the biggest thing is going to be, you got a dent here. This is fine, but you got a nice big dent right here. The door does add up, but you're going to have to fix that. Probably put a new door on it unless you're really good at body work. Coming over here, looks like you got some body filler here. The rear quarter's pretty straight. I don't see anything crazy. The biggest problem with the car is what's under here. Under the top, once this vinyl top comes off, this looks like rust bubbles. To do this car right, I would take the vinyl top off, sand down this whole top, fix any rust, fix the door and paint it. And after that, you're good. Mechanically, the car is not in bad shape at all. It's a 68. Everybody loves a 68 or a 67. A little bit of rust right there. This is all solid in here. Door closes decent. A little bit of bubbling here. Take you underneath. The undercarriage is in good shape. Very surprising how nice the undercarriage is. It's clean for the most part. Not perfect, but it's a project Mustang. Torque box looks good. Frame rail looks good. Looks like it's had previous repairs to the floor, but it all looks pretty decent. It says 289 hypo, but I doubt it's a high performance. Power steering, manual brakes. All right, this frame rail here is gone on the inside, and so is the other one. Frame rail's no good. It needs front frame rails. Showing 37,000, so I assume 137. Sounds great. Interior's in good shape. Headliner, seats, door panels, carpet's in decent shape. Horn doesn't work. It's running really good. This is definitely a fixer-upper for somebody, but at the price, $13,500 or best offer, I'll definitely give somebody a good deal on this car. If anybody's interested, give me a call. 215-801-9493.